Gravitational potential energy. Hydroelectric power is produced by using the energy of the water stored in dams. This stored water falls on the turbine from a large height and thus rotates the shaft of the generator connected to it. What is the name given to this energy of water stored at a height? Gravitational potential energy. It is the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its height from the reference level. Let us study about it. Here, as the boy lifts the ball, he does some work against the gravity. He then drops the ball from the balcony on the heap of sand. What do you observe? A depression is formed in the heap of sand. This is because the work done against the gravity got stored into the ball as gravitational potential energy, which is capable of doing work. Now, let us find out what happens if we take another ball of almost double mass as compared to the previous ball. When this ball is dropped on the heap of sand, we observe that again a depression is formed. This depression formed in this case is deeper than the one formed by the red ball. Let the boy drop the first metallic ball again, but this time from a greater height. The depression formed in the sand will again be deeper than the one formed on it when the same ball was dropped from the lesser height. Thus, gravitational potential energy of an object depends on its mass and also on its height. Gravitational potential energy is equal to the product of mass of an object, acceleration due to gravity, and the height of an object.